In this video, let me show you how to clean and transform data using simple natural language prompts to Ask Zia in Zoho DataPrep. I've imported my leads data. Let's head over to the DataPrep Studio page to get started. Let me click on the Ask Zia button and the conversation pane opens right away. I can see some invalid data in the email columns. Let's see what is causing that. We have some values with mail to and mail prefixes. Let's try to clean them up using Ask Zia. I'm going to ask Zia to remove the mail to and mail prefixes from the email column. It understands my command and generates a quick preview. It even shows the previous value on hover for easy comparison. The preview looks good. I'll go ahead and apply the transform. Now I want to clean up the annual revenue and industry columns by replacing all the NA values with empty values. The preview looks perfect. Let me apply this change. And that's done. Next, I want the phone number formatting to be cleaner so it doesn't cause problems while importing into my CRM. Let me remove the special characters from the phone column, keeping the plus sign intact. The preview shows exactly what I need. I'll apply it now. Now let's change the format of the collected time column to a more readable MMMDDY format. Looks neat and consistent. Applying that. Now, I want to enter the website column as it has a lot of empty values. I'd like to use the domains from the email IDs and fill up the empty values. As a first step, I want to extract the domain name from the email column. Here's a new column with just the domain names. Looks good. Now, I'd like to categorize these domains as either business or public based on the domain name so I don't insert domains like gmail.com and hotmail.com into company website column. The preview looks fine. Let me apply it. Now as a finishing move, let me fill the empty values in the website column with the domain name, filtering only the business domains. The preview looks good. Applying the change. Finally, I'll remove the domain and domain type columns to keep the data clean. Now that the data is ready, I'll head to the pipeline builder. Just right-click on the stage, add a destination and complete the data flow. Now I can run this pipeline and export this prepared data to my CRM. And that's it. Remember, you can always ask Zia to get quality data and insights and make complex data preparation simple. If you have any questions, drop a comment below or reach out to us at support@zohodataprep.com. Thanks for watching.